Can you solve this in your head? 87 times 83. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The answer is 7,221. If you didn't get it, don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know a method that makes calculations like this almost automatic. And we are starting with one of the fastest mental math patterns you can learn. Let's start simple. What is 43 times 11? Don't multiply 43 by 10 and then add 43. Instead, take the 4 and the 3 and add them. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Put that 7 between the original digits. 4, 7, 3. So 43 times 11 equals 473. Try this. 62 times 11. Add the digits. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Therefore, 62 times 11 equals 682. Now here's where it gets interesting. What about 68 times 11? Add the digits. 6 plus 8 equals 14. You can't put 14 in one position, so write the 4 in the middle and carry the 1 to the 6. 68 times 11 equals 748. That's the entire idea. 3-digit numbers work too. Try 352 times 11. Add adjacent digits. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Place those between the outside digits. 3, 8, 7, 2. So 352 times 11 equals 3,872. One more. 574 times 11. First, 5 plus 7 equals 12. Then 7 plus 4 equals 11. Handle the carries from right to left. 574 times 11 equals 6,314. That's much faster once the pattern becomes familiar. Now let's move to something even more useful. Calculate 75 squared. Don't multiply 75 times 75. Take the number before 5. Multiply it by the next whole number. 7 times 8 equals 56. Now attach 25. 75 squared equals 5,625. That's it. Try 35 squared. 3 times 4 equals 12. Attach 25. 35 squared equals 1,225. And 95 squared. 9 times 10 equals 90. Attach 25. 95 squared equals 9,025. Your turn. 65 squared. Pause the video and calculate it mentally. The answer is 4,225. Because 6 times 7 equals 42, then attach 25. Now we are going to level up. Calculate 44 times 46. Look carefully, both numbers start with 4, and the last digits, 4 plus 6 equals 10. That combination gives us a very fast method. Take the common first digit, 4, multiply it by the next number. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now multiply the last digits. 4 times 6 equals 24. Put them together, 2,024. Therefore, 44 times 46 equals 2,024. Let's test it with 67 times 63. The common first digit is 6, so 6 times 7 equals 42. The last digits are 7 and 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. Put them together, 4,221. Therefore, 67 times 63 equals 4,221. Now you try 89 times 81. Common first digit, 8. So, 8 times 9 equals 72. Last digits, 9 times 1 equals 9. Because we are building a 2-digit block, write it as 09. So 89 times 81 equals 7,209. You've learned 3 patterns. Let's see whether you can recognize them without my help. Challenge 1, 48 times 11. Challenge 2, 85 squared. Challenge 3, 72 times 78. Pause after each one and calculate mentally. Answers: 48 times 11 equals 528. 85 squared equals 7,225. 72 times 78 equals 5,616. The important part isn't memorizing random tricks. It's learning to recognize patterns before you calculate. That's what makes mental mathematics fast. If you want the next lesson, subscribe to Mr. Rhyno and keep practicing. Because the goal isn't to know one trick. It's to train your brain to see the answer before the calculation feels difficult.